Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Chinese Lunar New Year ox, because this year is the year of the ox. So I'm going to show you guys how to draw a little fun cartoon ox. I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our cartoon year of the ox, we're going to begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's going to curve up and it's going to come down. So I'm going to begin right here. We're just going to make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to curve over and then down like this. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down, and then it's just going to curve around here. Now, in the center here, we want to make the nose. So I'm going to begin right here. We're going to make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come over, down, and then we just want to connect it here, kind of like an oval shape. Then inside of here, I'm going to make two little black dots for the nostrils. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and then up, with a little curved line across for the tongue. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve around here for a circle shape for the eye, and then we'll make another circle shape over here for the other eye. Then inside of it, I'm going to add a little black pupil. Starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come to a point, and it's going to come back down to here. Same thing over here. We're just going to draw a little line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come right back down to here. Now for the ears, I'm going to just make a little line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to come back. Same thing over here, down and then back. And I like to just make another little shape like that right inside of each one. Now for the body, I'm going to start here. I'm going to make a little line that goes down. It's going to go over and then up. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down on each side. Make a line that goes over, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space in between here. I'm going to make a little line that goes up and then down. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down, and we'll do the same thing over here for the legs. I want to make a little line that goes up, down, and then back up here. Same thing here, we go up, down, and then right back up here. We'll just make a little line across for the legs. Then I'm going to make a line that goes right across here for the hooves. Next, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out on each side. We're going to go in, and then out, and then all the way back to the body. So in, out, and then all the way back to the body. Next, I'm going to make two little lines right here, and then two little lines right here for the sleeves. And then a small little line right here on the edge for the hooves. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that comes right here, and it's going to stop before I get to that little triangle shape. And I'll do the same thing here. Next, I'm going to make this line go up and this line go up. On each side here, I'm going to make a circle, and I'll put 3 circles on each side. So we'll do one more here, and then one more right down here. And then I just like to make a little line that goes across to connect them. Now I want to give him a little hat. So starting here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to go up. It's going to come around and then down here. Next, we're going to make a line that curves up and down, with a little sad face at the top. Now, starting at the top, I'm going to make 2 little lines that curve down for some detail on the hat. And the last thing is on the horns, I'm just going to add a couple little curved lines for some detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon ox for the new Lunar New Year. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.